Hey everyone, it's a beautiful day. It's Patrick from EasyNode. I'm back with another video. Today I want to go over our new guides.easynode.one website. We have moved both of our guides into one much easier, much sleeker to use page. Works great on mobile. So let's just jump on over. This is a landing page of the site, which so I'll go over a few things about EasyNode, about the guide, what a validator is. It'll talk about our next two sections, which are new validators and experienced validators. So the new validators section there is our classic guide that came out in March of 2001. It's the guide that matches up to the official Harmony One documentation validator section. The three different sections in there, like server nodes, setup, cloud, creating a validator, managing a validator, those sections. So it'll kind of talk about the extra fluff that's in there and what you can ignore, and what info you really need to know as a new validator, and then get you through installing the software on a server of your choice and getting it up and running. The experienced validator section is going to cover the validator toolbox we created to help people install Harmony faster. And then there's a post-installation section which has tools, tips, scripts, things like that anybody can use, whether you're using the toolbox or not. And a little more about EasyNode. So we can jump over new validators. Each section has a usage section, so it'll kind of tell you about it. So for the new validators, we're going to go over everything it takes before starting validator. We're going to tell you about the section goes with the official guide. So this is where those sections match up with not so much server setup, because we covered that in the before, but node setup, creating and managing a validator. Node setup, cloud setup, creating and managing a validator. So you want to come to our pages here and just kind of read through what we have to say, and then you can go read the official stuff and you'll know what already applies and what you can ignore. So that's what this guide does. It's great for anybody who's thinking about becoming a validator. You want to read through it and do this stuff. Then post install tips, which got kicked out here because the experienced validators who want to use the toolbox can run through those instructions right here on this page. There we have 13 stars. Bam, go us on the toolbox. So if you like the toolbox, hit that link and give us a star on GitHub there. Same thing goes for our main guide, where we have one lowly star at a time, but we'll see where it propels it with this video. So if you guys get out there to guides.easynode.one and hit that link and give us a star, that'd be great. So jumping over to the post-install section, though, let me close a couple of these up here. Let's go to the usage there. You'll see it covers a bunch of things like what the rewards are like, but how to troubleshoot the software. That's how to troubleshoot EasyNode software or the Harmony software, which both have a pretty simple, straightforward process for it. So if you're stuck, hit that up. Try to figure out what the error is. We'll talk about some other tools, scripts, and then running a backup node, which is no longer suggested, but we still have our notes on that in there if you're interested. The rest of the guide is just some info on us and how to support us, and some of our friends who've helped us along the way. And then we keep a log of the updates we've added. So we did this earlier in May, but I was out of town and didn't get to make a video yet. So just wanted to make a quick couple-minute video on this to get it out there, but it is ready to go. So if you know anybody thinking about becoming a validator, guides.easynode.one. If you are a validator and you're just looking for more info on the toolbox software, come on over to the experienced validator section here, and that'll get you all that info. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.